Hey friends! Ready to explore your amazing five sense organs today? Ever wonder how you see colors or hear your favorite songs? Let's find out. Our five sense organs help us explore the world around us every day. These amazing parts help you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch everything. Let's meet your eyes. They're superstars for sight. Your eyes help you see colors, shapes, people, animals, and your toys. When you watch the sky or read a story, it's your eyes doing the magic. Next up, your ears let you hear all kinds of amazing sounds. Music, voices, birds, and even traffic sounds come alive for you. Your ears help you listen to your loved ones and jam to your favorite tunes. Now, sniff sniff. Your nose is a champion for smelling things. Flowers, yummy food, perfume, or even smoke, your nose knows it all. It even keeps you safe by warning you if something smells bad. Let's talk taste. Your tongue is your food's biggest critic. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, your tongue helps you enjoy every flavor. Whether it's fruits or snacks, your tongue knows the tasty secrets. Finally, your skin helps you feel all sorts of textures and temperatures. Hot or cold, smooth or rough, soft or hard, your skin's superpower is touch. Your skin tells you what feels good and helps keep you safe too. Let's quickly remember what each sense organ does. Eyes help you see all the colorful world around. Ears catch all the sounds, from birds to your friends' voices. Your nose can smell flowers, food, and even warnings like smoke. Tongue helps you taste yummy treats from sweet to sour and more. Your skin lets you feel textures and keeps you safe from harm. So, which sense organ is your favorite? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or skin? Write your answer in the comments. I can't wait to see what you think. Thanks for learning with me today. Your senses are truly awesome. Stay curious and see you in the next lesson on Narrate. Bye for now. Remember, your five senses make every day an amazing adventure.